Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Masira Sheikh. I study in class 8th in Al-Falah English Medium School. Today I am here to represent an interesting topic about parts of speech. We know that a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. These words are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now let's see number 1. Noun, a word that names or refers to a person, animal, place or thing. Let's see an example of noun. Surya is writing a book. Here Surya is a noun. Here Surya is a noun. Let's see one more example of noun. Rahul is a good boy. Here Rahul and boy is a noun. Now next number 2, pronoun, a word that used in place of noun. Let's see an example of pronoun. He is a good writer. Here he is a pronoun. Let's see one more example of pronoun. She is my best friend. Here she is a pronoun. Next, adjective, a word that tells more about noun. Let's see an example of adjective. She wore a beautiful dress. Here beautiful is a adjective. Let's see one more example. He is very intelligent boy. Here intelligent is a adjective. Next, number 4, verb, a word that denotes action being position of in a sentence. Action being position of in a sentence. Let's see an example of verb. Meenakshi wrote a poem. Here wrote is a example of verb. Now let's see one more example about verb. He runs very fast. Here runs is a verb. Number 5, adverb, a word that adds meaning to a verb, adjective or another verb. Here let's see an example of adverb. Bhupesh write neatly. Here neatly is a adverb. Let's see one more example of adverb. I will back soon. Soon is an example of adverb. Let's see the 6th one, preposition, a word that tells the time, place, position, movement. Let's see an example of preposition. Prachi is sitting on the chair and looking at the sky. Here on, at are examples of preposition. My bag is behind the table. Here behind is a preposition. Next, conjunction, a word that is used to join words, sentences, phrases in a sentence. Let's see an example of preposition. Let's see an example of conjunction. The student can read and loud. Here and is a joining word and is a conjunction. Now let's see one more example of conjunction. Let's see one more example of conjunction. A student can read and write and is a conjunction. Let's see interjection, a word which is spoken suddenly to express interjection, a word which is spoken suddenly to express strong feelings and emotions. Let's see the example of interjection. Alas, we lost the match. Here alas is a interjection. Let's see one more example of interjection. mashallah, what a beautiful flower. Here mashallah is a interjection. Thank you.